guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can create this really cool text edit on CapCut PC. Actually, let me just select a different video for that. I'm just going to select this one, and I am just going to add in like a text. You can add in any text that you want, of course. I'm just going to type in the word hello. Just font size and change the font if you'd like to. I'm just going to change mine to this. Then you're going to select this preset style and you're just going to adjust the thickness if you want to. And you're just going to copy and paste that and make the first one like any color that you want. I'm just going to select this like pink one. Edit on top, right click, create compound clip, go to blend mode and select brighten. Or screen actually would be better. Copy and paste your video and edit on top of the text below. Select the video, go to cutout and select auto cutout, and that is pretty much it. Really, you can like make the text go downwards a little bit so that you can see the video just a little bit better if you want to. But yeah, I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!